Note: the following video depicts a specific configuration of the notebook. The same removal and replacement procedures apply to all configurations of the notebook. Before you begin, remove the base enclosure. Removal. Disconnect the battery cable from its connector on the system board. Important: make careful note of the routing of the speaker cable for later replacement. Disconnect the speaker cable from its connector on the system board. Remove the speaker cable from the routing tabs on the battery. Remove the four 6.5mm P1 Phillips head screws that secure the battery to the top cover. Lift the battery off of the standoffs on the top cover and remove. Replacement. Place the battery onto the standoffs on the top cover. Replace the four 6.5mm P1 Phillips head screws that secure the battery to the top cover. Route the speaker cable through the routing tabs on the battery. Connect the speaker cable into its connector on the system board. Connect the battery cable into its connector on the system board.